Let's wait for the rest to come in. The rest to come in. 50 people. Hi. Okay. Yeah, we just start since there's 40 people. So hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to I call this Wizard Mondays. So basically, Wizard Mondays is more on market preparation for us to prepare emotionally, physically, psychologically for the week ahead. Okay. So nonetheless, today we'll be talking, I nak cover on a few pairs, a few very, very interesting pairs, and a few ways to cover in the sense of market conditions yang kita tengah lalui sekarang, which is, you know, with the news, with the fundamentals in play, with the whole war that's going on, and etc. So, okay, nonetheless, so today I will start off with a bit different. Instead of looking at charts punya pair, today I will start off with looking at index. Yeah. Index. So the first index I will use is Dixie. Dixie is what you call dollar index or DXY. So dollar index DXY is basically an index that responds or corresponds to USD lah, just generally USD itself. So USD itself in general. So first thing I'll do is, so far yang I dah ajar everyone else, is basically for us to look at the bigger time frame, which is daily ke atas. Sebab daily time frames, weekly time frames, and monthly time frame, those three time frames are a representative of direction in time frame. So direction time frame is very, very important. But in trading, you want to keep things simple, keep it easy, but you can faham direction first. Trading without direction is the risk, so we avoid risk. So what I do is, let's just say we look on a monthly scale. What has happened since 1985? 1985. Dia belum boleh mute. Okay, 1 minute. 1985. So what do we understand that has been going on with all these pairs? Movement is the downtrend movement, and this will repeat a downtrend movement itself again. So, apa yang ajar this thing called bars pattern. So, you can understand that trading is 110% based on copy and paste. So, when I say copy and paste, what do we have to do? Nampak tak? It is a similar movement. Siapa yang setuju saya? Who can agree with me and answer me? Adakah ini benda yang similar? Benda yang sama ke? Yeah, so nampak tak? It is a similar movement. It really is a similar movement. So bila benda ni a similar movement, what do we need to expect sekarang? Let's say it is in a position that it is currently sekarang ni tengah going up after a minor retracement. So let's say it's going up, this will look the history lah. And this is the reason here. Anything similar with the patterns? Push down. So my anticipation or my idea, okay, with the whole USD punya issue, story, whatever ni, that USD akan weaken. So bila kita copy and paste dia, ngam-ngam plus minus within that. Okay dah, settle. Sorry bro. Plus minus. Okay, alright. So let's say kenapa kita kena copy paste here, and I say that this copy paste here makes 110% makes sense. So what I teach nanti I akan ajar, which is this Wednesday, the topic of timing sequence, ES, or what call it, is a fresh area of buyer and seller. So here, as we notice, siapa boleh answer sini? What is the situation of dollar index? Apa yang tengah berlaku with dollar index? Who can answer me? Of dollar index. And then one more is another situation of dollar index. So what can we understand here from the dollar index situation? Okay, TS buy, perfect, TS buy, BSB. Oh, buy, seller, buy. Correct. But however, if you look at it here, atas ni price has collected already. Walaupun dia tak sikit, dia dah collected the fresh TSL. So theoretically, bila you understand structure, dia akan bentuk ni macam ni. So this is based on pure structure lah. Siapa yang faham ni. So based on structure, what can we understand? That bawah ni ada another fresh TS buy here, one more. So what can we understand? That USD is in a situation yang it is very, 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 very weak. So with the current situation that is going on, with the whole economic situation that is going on, so sekarang ni we are in 2020, supposedly the world ni they can recycle every 10 years. Okay, 1998, 2008, 2018 kita dah miss. So we have missed the bubble period and we need to restart. So bila kita miss something which is supposed to happen, and that kita call an economic cycle. So when we miss an economic cycle of 2 years, prior time 2 years, what will happen to the market? The market will experience a phenomena of a time that all hell will break loose lah berjalan. Jadi, saya cakap ibaratkan macam if normal situation dia teruk, but in this situation yang dia dah miss, dia ibaratnya people say macam kiamat lah, you know. The worst of the worst that you can ever expect. Situation like now lah, US with Iran. Last year kita dah slowly climbing up the situation with US and China trade war. Now US and Iran, you know, with the whole now Euro itself giving statements pasal nuclear war, etc. And all these Middle Eastern countries getting confused who to support or which country to be in favor, economic and political agendas lah. So in this situation, bila ingat satu je, when the USD fails, the world will fail. The world will fail. Ingat tu je, when the USD fails, the world will fail. Sebab why? Reason being, if USD fails, but USD ni adalah mata wang dunia. It is accepted globally, ya. There is no country in the world yang akan accept mana-mana ada kita buat ringgit. You bring ringgit to UK, you have to go money changer. However, kalau you go USD to any kedai mana-mana pun, they will accept it. But why? USD is a worldwide Asian foreign currency that is accepted worldwide. It has a standard, world standard. Okay, so this is USD projection. Weak projection of USD. Now, then nak proceed to everyone's favorite pair, which is gold. Semua orang suka gold. Everyone suka sangat gold. So, now for monthly, no need. We just proceed back to daily saja. Sebab I dah check a few things dari daily. So, can anybody tell me ada benda yang similar tak berlaku sini dengan sini? Can anybody tell me anything similar? Hello? Okay, same pattern, history. Siapa jawab same pattern and history? You are correct. Saya boleh accept lah, okay? Let's say we foresee History kan, lepas dia sideway sama je, benda sama. Sideway, boom, breakout. Sideway, boom, fly. We take this thing called bars pattern. This is time sideway ni kita copy and paste saja. See, we drag and drop during sideway region. So price will escalate all the way up to a point in price sentuh 1738 plus minus this area lah 1738. So at 1738 here, what can we understand? Ada apa dekat 1738 ni? Is there anything, any hidden history ke, any hidden phenomena ke yang nothing has happened yet kat 1738 ni? So plus minus, you tengok benda yang terdekat is above 1738, atas 1738. Apa lah? Ada satu area of TS cell yang very fresh, okay? For those yang confused about TSL, don't worry. Wednesday I will conduct a class on TSL. So there is a possibility and they boleh stop at 1738 because of area of rejection, number one. The benda makes sense. Number two, above it, 1767 ada area of fresh TSL on daily time frame. So that shit makes 110% with the logic lah. So now moving on to go. Kenapa gold terbang at this pinnacle point? Okay, why did gold terbang at this pinnacle point? Based on market structure, kita boleh boom, low low, high low, low low. Duduk atas ni high high, right? So here is a change in direction. Is kita dot here, buyer dah masuk. The buyer dah masuk, what can we understand? Tukar balik candlestick, buyer buy sell buy buy. Tutup above here with TS5. Retracement to this lower candle of buy, of sell, terus pergi. So that is number one. And then kita TP take profit just based on here. However, dengar kan? So far semua, can everyone here? Okay je kan? Okay. Yeah, sorry today if not so energetic, bit tired lah. First day hantar my son sekolah, I was semua so bit tired. Okay, nonetheless, we just go to 4-hour time frame now, just to analyze of what is going on. Kan tadi, here we have to buy. Hello, please mute yourself. Thank you very much. Right. Just a little bit of analysis, a little bit of back testing, a bit of recap. Okay, buy, sell, buy, another case buy. So for the retracement, this is a buy region, so we buy here. Then the recap, sideway area buy. Okay, this is everyone. Okay, so let's say right now. Okay, today I want to give a little hint. This is something yang saya tak akan share. Okay, sorry about that, because I want to be a bit creative. Literally, this is something that I will not share regardless with PC ke, mentorship or by my best friend ke. I will not share this. Reason being, I want you to be creative. Nampak this region here? Okay, I want everyone to PK out of the box. Look at this candle. It is flat. Okay, flat. So now, bila dia dalam keadaan flat, I want to say, okay. Oops. Okay, let's say bullish candle flat start goes to 0 center. Okay. So hope you guys are a bit creative to figure what is this, okay? Berfikir di luar kotak sikit. I give another hint. Ada shadow sikit tak ada, so does not count. Yeah, I nak cari another scenario so I can give an example to you guys. Jap. I don't know the answer. I don't know the answer. So yeah, gonna figure this out yourself. This one is a task for everyone to figure it out themselves. Okay. Same thing as here. This is kebalik. One, two, okay, three examples would be enough. So nonetheless, bullish candle flat start equals to zero seller. So however, bullish momentum up. So one thing that I will explain to you guys that this is applied to time frame H4 only. Depending on your creativity, my bro. Yeah, this is just a little piece of my secret. Yeah, that's all. So let's just say, kita ingat one thing bila market dah buat one bullish or bearish candle like this, very long, very long, market will not retrace. The market will not retrace fully all the way down here, regardless kalau ada TS yang buy yang fresh ke apa ke, it will not dah pergi jauh macam ni, it will not simply go down like this. Or dia dah pergi jauh macam ni, it will not simply go down like this. Sama boleh naik tadi kan, boleh naik. What they can do is dia naik, and they can just sideways, they can continue. Reason being, screen ni gerak lah. Is my screen okay tak? Hello, everyone, screen saya okay ke? Okay je kan? Okay kan? So, okay, just to share a little bit yang bila market I just give an example je ni lah. Contoh lah, you nak travel daripada Johor JB all the way back to Perlis, one end to another end. Okay. Halfway through, contoh ya, halfway through, bila you dah penat, you akan stop at RNR. You akan patah balik, you nak singgah KL ke apa, but you dah penat kan, contohnya you dah stop kat Perak ke, somewhere in the middle lah. So you will only stop at the RNR. So then you will continue your destination. So ni yang saya nak kata, trading ni is just like human behavior. Bila you nak travel jauh, you will not patah balik suka hati kita tu lah. We are from Kelang, kita nak pergi ke KL. Midway tu kita stop kat Shah Alam ke, stop back Subang ke, patah balik rumah dulu ke, baru boleh continue the destination. Tapi reason being, you have a lot of energy, but however bila market ni, bila dia dah too strong going at a certain direction, the momentum or the strength for reversal is too weak, hence they will just perform a sideways position. From that side position, they can just continue on the same road. Jangan stop Subang, yelah bolehlah stop PJ ke tak. So, in favor of everything, gold, I nak kata sell is not the right time lah. So it means there's no such thing called trade filling the gap, is it? Sebab ada yang kata tutup gap lah, itulah cause in MT4 there's a gap. Okay, I have one good question for you, Shamik. Reason being market ni ada gap is because we do not have access to weekend data. But please, I hope you understand, when forex trading is not just us yang dapat komputer ni. For example, we go to money changer, kita tukar duit, then we spend that money overseas. Or kita bawa MYR, we go to UK, then we change our money over there. Or we use credit card services kat sana yang ada conversion of different rates. That is still considered as foreign exchange. So the market ni dia 24 hours running, 7 hours a day dia running, dia tak pernah stop. However, weekend ni kita tak ada access to the data of weekend. Hence, kita nampak gap. Sebenarnya market ni tak pernah ada gap. Unless kalau sebelum time news tu ada gap. Itu pun certainly bila market punya volume of data push too much or broker, the slippage and etc. And saya just nak sharing sikit, do not use MT4, only use MT5. Okay, only MetaTrader 5. Reason being, company yang buat MetaTrader ni is called MetaCorp. Okay, MetaCorp does not own MetaTrader 4 anymore. Okay, dia tak own MetaTrader 4, but dia own MT5. So MetaTrader 4 ni dia sub to brokerage company. So brokerage company will handle the inflow and outflow of data. So bila brokerage owns or they sub kepada brokerage for all these MetaTrader, the platform to trade in, hence they control the data. When they control the data, there is manipulation sebab the data is not being regulated by MetaCorp itself. Okay, the company is not being data yang masuk tu is not filtered. Hence, kalau you use MT5, every single data is filtered. Every single transaction, inflow and outflow is filtered and cross-checked properly. So hence, I don't use MT4 lah. Kebanyakan benda yang isu ni jadi banyak dekat MT4, not MT5. MT5 very very rare. Ya bro, saya record, saya record. Sama-sama. So in regards to gap ni, nothing lah gap. Actually, it doesn't exist lah gap. It doesn't exist. Okay, so moving on. So goal, my projection, my prediction as of now, saya memang tak akan entry goal. I will stay away. I will stay away sebab too many uncertainty to harap orang sayang duit lah. Jangan nak terlalu kejarkan market. Market ni sentiasa ada opportunity. Kan saya tunggulah tight tadi 173 something kat atas ni, or 174 something, or 176 something. I will just wait for the price to come here, regardless of whatever it is. Okay, my bro, saya akan masukkan dekat Facebook punya group by tomorrow morning lah, a bit tired ni. By tomorrow morning, and I will upload the video there itself lah. So it will be accessible lah for those who miss out. I understand, so to be fair, so this is the way lah, move forward lah with this. Okay, now moving on to the next pair, PPP. Mana index? Why do we look at index? Okay, ni index ni certain pair dibentuk macam ni lah, it's a bit weird lah. Okay? It really is a bit weird lah. It is a bit weird. But due to data. Alright, so apa yang kita boleh notice from GBP punya index? It's simple, keep it easy ya. Okay, kalau ada yang bit confusing about timing sequence of TF, every Wednesday we will have another class. Lagu apa? Memang tak dengar apa-apa pun. Lagu. Not for me ya. Okay, so what you understand, dah sampai area of TSL. And then here pun ada one more TSL itself kat sini. So this area kita dah form of here, but here this area ada one fresh TSL. However, here ada double TSL, so very very strong selling area. So here. Strong cell area. So with a strong cell area, they say we look at history itself from 2009 lah. Di data dia tak banyak ni, kita put sikit. What should we understand? But here, in the previous area ada support ke apa ke boleh lah terpulang, sangat-sangat terpulang. However here ada satu TS buy, ada dua TS buy, ada tiga TS buy, dua TS buy. Okay. However, when you look at structure 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 daily dah buat one new lower low, high low, so focus on sell. If focus on sell, what is the most logical target for GBP? Let's say which is the area of yang ada triple TS buy, ini area of strong buy. So what can we understand here? We can foresee that GBP will weaken to the point of until here lah. Now looking at everyone's favorite pair, GBP, JPY. So what can we understand here? Kenapa price stop all the way here? This being atas ni ada fresh TSL. So it has collected that fresh TSL and now it has to go all the way down. Down pun on weekly time frame we understand here ada a fresh TS buy. Okay, yalah the range is a bit big. So the fresh TS buy ni dia punya ranging from here all the way here. How many pip we get? Another close to 260 something pips. Okay, regardless of that, we have to look at one day. But no one, you have to analyze from top to bottom, so you have a full and clear picture. So on daily, you see another TS buy here. And however, this area ada double TS buy, so here is a very strong buy. So bila here is a very strong buy instead of the other area, so we will take this area into consideration lah sebab area ni sangat strong, but ada double TS buy compared to yang satu. So probability-nya, so sekarang apa tak? Dia ada sell buy sell sell. So ada this mini area of a fresh TS sell. So apa kita boleh nampak, what we foresee, ini naik turun, jumpa TS buy tepi tu kan. Lepas tu dia naik balik, ada TS sales ni, sambung balik turun, jumpa TS buy. Okay. For now, everyone can understand, right? Everyone understand what sementara waktu? So this major idea mapping je lah, nothing much lah. You guys have a clearer picture of apa boleh happen this month or this week or tomorrow. Good. So inilah cara I want to explain to you how you should analyze the market. So you can take this as a lesson as well. You can take this as an analysis session. However you like it lah. However you like it. So but it advisable best for you to take up lah on the way how I do my market, my analysis. But speak very simple lah. DJ kejap je analysis tunggu je. So now you guys bagi tahu nak tengok pair apa. What pair do you want to see? Dia bagi yang dua favorite je ni lah. Yang lain tu I no idea lah. Okay, GU. We start with GBP USD je. Jangan not too many pair. Nanti sampai sudah tak habis ni. So, kenapa price berhenti dekat sini? Can anyone explain to me? Atas sekali ni. Can someone explain to me? Perfect. Very good. I'm very happy, very proud. Everyone understands. Okay, good. Ada TS sell. Yeah, this is a fresh area of TS sell. So price has collected. So sekarang mana dia punya fresh area of TS buy? So kita just marking je lah. Sini ada satu TS buy. Regardless price dah sampai sebab dia bigger scale kan. So price tengah turun. Now we filter back to 1 day. Tengok ada tak TS buy yang fresh yang price belum kena. TS tu apa maksud? Sorry. Baru TS tu timing sequence lah. Hari ni just market analysis. So Wednesday ni saya akan go on the topic of timing sequence. Timing sequence. Yeah guys, give me a minute. Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. Timing sequence, the area of buy, area of sell. Area of buy, area of sell. Otherwise, Wednesday is a repeat. Monday ini just market analysis. Yeah. No worries, welcome. So what can we understand here? Here, sini ada one fresh TS buy. Correct. However, tak apa, tak payah nak minta maaf. Tak apa, no worries. However, creativity sikit At this area sini ada buy, sell, buy, one TS buy, sell, buy, two TS buy. So this area ada double TS buy. Okay, ada double TS buy. So most likely apa yang saya dapat indicate, apa yang saya dapat fahami from this chart is movement possibility dia macam ni lah, naik turun, lepas tu dia kena balik sini, turun balik sini, ada satu TS sell dari sini, sell buy sell, tu sell buy sell, turun balik dari sini, naik balik sampai sini, turun balik sampai sini. Sebab ada sini pun ada area TS buy. Itu je lah. It's just like a picture je lah, not in detail. But in detail tu susah sikit lah. Let's say kita remove all this. Okay. Why price stop here? Tu jawab saya. Precision of timing sequence, perfect. Nampak tu, ngam-ngam. Yourself, perfect. Good understanding. Okay, guys. Alif, perfect, good understanding. Bagus sangat. Sekejap guys, apa benda ni?
Grip tobacco dulu.
Okay, so sorry. So what can we understand here? Kalau on a bigger scale, that price has to go down. Let's say kita nak fokus on TSL, tak jumpa. Let's filter to. Nampak tak? Price touch mana tu? Oh, very beautiful, very beautiful. Price touch apa tu? Simple lah gang trade. Okay, siapa yang dah long ticket, to those new, it might be a bit confusing. Don't worry, I will help you. I will help you the whole way through. This Dia bila I do market analysis ni is more on a full understanding lah of the overall picture, etc. lah. So nonetheless, okay. Selain daripada our power couple of husband and wife yang menjawab ni, siapa lain yang lama can answer? Why did GU stop here? Kenapa GU stop here? Not here, not here, and not here. Just to see your level of understanding je lah. Okay, I give a minute to fikir. Cell by cell cell. T fresh TSL. Market structure pas TSL plus dia pouring nak naik dah. Betul tu dia tak berminat dengan harga tu. Ada fresh TSL yang buat new low. Correct. Sangat-sangat betul. Sangat-sangat teramat-amat betul. So congratulations to you that understand. Let's say lah kalau you nak intraday the collect ni ngam-ngam je. Okay, let's say lah. Kat sini, you nak entry intraday. Let's say sini, you entry. Okay, ni bukan signal, jangan salah faham saya tak bagi signal So you entry sini, you nak intraday, you drag and drop saja ada market price ni kan. Let's say sini pula, price ada jumpa apa-apa tak sini? Ada any TS buy ke, TS sell ke, anything yang here, TS buy, perfect. Easy. Nampak tak? This TS buy, sell ni belum collect kan? So, it's a fresh TS buy. Fresh TS sell, jumpa TS buy. What you do? This signal. Siapa nak entry boleh entry Siapa nak entry, up to you. Live analysis, live market, live entry. Siapa nak entry, up to you lah ni Yo. Live entry, okay, so abang ni nak prepare. Okay, so gold dah selesai, DJ dah selesai, GU dah selesai, we choose dah 2 pair lah, dah 2 pair. Saya tak faham kat bawah tu, saya tak faham. Kejap bro, boleh jawab tak? Bro tak faham kat area mana? Which one you kurang faham? Power lah, laju sangat faham. Guys, any pair. You give me a pair lah, apa yang korang nak tengok ni. How to recognize, okay, UJ. Nanti lah I cerita tu, regarding pair tu, I will give a story apa ni. Timing sequence is this Wednesday. Okay, AJ, UJ, okay, selesai signal. Kita tengok 3 pair lah, 3 to 6 pair lah. So, UJ. SD, JPY. Okay, hari tu siapa yang lama tu, ni lah saya dah bagi signal dulu Entry sini tak langgar-langgar SL dah jauh ni, dah hampir GP mana GP, dah output GP. Okay, so for UJ ni entry is still running. Reason being to go on a bigger scale, let's say 1 day. Okay, entry is still running. Okay, reason being very simple. Apa yang I dapat indicate daripada sini, you look down here je, answer ni pahala the trend line. Okay, sini ada a fresh TS buy, sell, buy. That's number 1, first destination. Number 2, buy, sell, buy. So there is 2 fresh TS buy on daily time frame. Sangat-sangat big Okay. However, sini dia more stronger, reason being sebab ada double TS buy, bukan double, triple. Buy, sell, buy, 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 sell, buy, 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 sell, buy, buy. So this area sangat strong in buyer as compared to here. Ini ada buy, sell, buy, buy, sell, buy, only two. 2 versus 3 will win. So kenapa saya entry sini? Entry ni I'm still holding I'm still holding. Tak nak hold. Reason being daily saya nampak yang tu buy, sell, buy. Formation of TSL. This price ni dia within the zone of TSL. Dia besar lah. Bigger zone. So here I just place an entry of sell. Entry of sell. TP-nya dekat sini. So usually long projection sebab dia still in the middle. Dia still in the middle. So apa yang saya foresee ni sebab sini apa boleh nampak sini ada another TSL sini kan. So possibility of it to retrace up to TSL, dia akan turun balik, cari TS buy, pretty sure somewhere here on a small time frame ada akan turun balik. Itu je lah. That is my projection lah. That is my projection of USD JPY. But for now, nak kata buat you dah entry, you dah place an entry in the middle. However, entry tu not really precise lah apa nak kata tu lah sebab you're entering based the market in the middle situation. Lepas tu ada situation yang is going on etc. So a bit hard to predict lah. Bukan nak predict lah. In trading ni you cannot predict, a bit hard to project. But however, ya tak saya kata tadi, flat turun zero buyer. So pandai-pandai fikir that part tu. Perumpamaan what does that mean? What does that mean? So now kita tengok AUD, JPY, or brother request JPY. Pair saya dah lama sangat-sangat tak trade. So let's say AUD JPY. AUD JPY. You can see it is low, high, lower high, high, lower high, high, lower high. Okay. However, why this TS buy not valid? Can someone answer me tak? Kenapa TS buy ni tak valid? Those who yang dah lama belajar. Kenapa price cari balik TS buy ni tapi dia break? Can someone answer me this? Only for student yang dah lama. Correct. Sangat betul. Very correct. You guys understand lah. Kalau you guys boleh jawab ni you understand lah. Yes, betul. Sangat betul. So meaning you guys are totally fully understand lah. So congratulations. Self pat on the back to yourself. Good job guys. So you guys are faham. Very good. However, in this situation pun, apa tak? Situation yang sama. Flat turun zero buyer. Okay. Ini creativity, your mind. Okay. So now, orang ada dalam ni. 47 yang lagi baki yang sedihnya tengok ni. Okay lah. Okay. So, yang ni daily, let's say we look weekly. Weekly no answer. 1 month. Haha. Here is the answer. Lower low, higher low, lower low. This is an area of sell, buy, sell. So now retracement and nak TP dekat mana? Ambil lah from the previous high ni, high low, all the way to lower low. So you take profit sampai sini lah. Ni kita based on copy paste. The market boleh tahu turun, breakout, retest, turun balik. Amazing. Okay, terus. Now we look to here kita dapat identify apa sini. What is at this area? Perfect, my bro. TP dan tu betul lah. TS buy tu, TS buy yang fresh. Sell, buy, sell. Valid sebab new high. Very valid. So, benda tu jadi make sense. So benda-benda tu make sense, it can clearly happen. Yes, fresh just by. Dia nak tipidan je bro. Yelah, semua nak dengar tipidan je. Tak nak dengar benda lain pun lah. Benda lain pun berat. So yeah. How to know that is valid? My bro Syahmi Nazmi. Are you new student ke old student ni? Sorry yang bertanya. Kadang group ni banyak sangat Syahmi juga ni. Hello. When the price didn't get into the area, it's still valid to use. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, nonetheless, okay, one last pair kita bagi. One last pair. Anyone ada nak look at any one last pair ke? Or anything? Jangan nak pilih pair tu bro, WTI pula nak tengok brand. US oil pair lain. WTI pula dia minta USD MYR. Wush. Ada tak check? Come on bro, ada. Alamak, USD MYR kat mana ni? TS sell. Come on guys. Monthly tu. Simple sungguh trade ni. Pasal melekat ni. Ya, so, dia nak cari mana ni? USD MYR. Dia nak cari sini. Why? Ada fresh TS buy. If you nak cari sini pun boleh, bawah lagi pun boleh. Fresh TS buy. Okay. Easy. Ni on weekly time frame kan. Ya. Jangan faham melekat tu ni. Ya. Baru je. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, right. So itu je lah. Jadi analysis on a few other pairs lah. Kalau ada you guys want to add one or two more, still okay lah. Sudah two more lah, still okay. Okay, sudah faham dah. Maju. Ini just market analysis je, bukan sesi mengajar pun ni. So, nonetheless, itu je lah. Just a little bit of sharing market analysis just to prep you guys for tomorrow or in the upcoming weeks and etc. lah. So at least tak ada lah nanti tergopoh ke apa ke kalau apa-apa jadi dengan market kan, so we are fully prepared. So, however, can you guys tell me ada tak apa-apa similarity within all the pairs including USD MYR yang kita tengok ni? Ada apa-apa anything similar tak? Apa boleh perasan tak? Ada yang anything benda yang sama? Yes, very good, very good. USD very weak. If you guys notice, all over the board, USD is very weak, even based on tengok market structure and timing sequence on DXY, Dixie kita panggil itself, kita boleh identify, kita boleh indicate that USD is very weak. That's based on technical. However, technical with support of fundamental is more strong. So sometimes technical will identify that the currency strength is going, the currency is going to weaken. However, fundamental ni along the way tiba-tiba je, okay, Trump pergi tweet ni, oh all of a sudden je, oh nak ada war lah, apalah, sampai boleh create World War III lah, etc. So these things lah, you have to be fully aware. So these things, it just bila you fikir balik and all this just makes sense lah. Bila benda ni make sense, etc. Usually it can happen lah, macam ni, correct? So this is a little advice lah. Better off to stay away from the market for the time being. For now lah saya. Sebab my style of entry is more on quality entry, not quantity. Saya jenis tak terkejar-kejar dengan market ni. Kalau tak ada, memang tak ada lah. Saya tengok, but in the sense of entry tak ada. Reason being, I will wait for price to come to me. Saya akan tunggu, saya akan patiently wait. If dia tak datang, I don't lose anything. Yelah, I will not make money, but my main idea is I don't lose any money. So it's very important juga nak repeat ni, apa kali repeat ni. 2020, please put your first goal. Okay, siapa yang dah pandai, yang dah professional, pro trader, you want to put USD first, okay. But to those yang baru menceburi bidang forex ni, who are very new, few months, baru nak get back on the feet, it is very important for you to have a mindset that you gonna protect your capital first. Protecting your capital is your number one goal, not making money. Why? But bila you learn to protect your capital, you learn to protect your emotions, you learn to protect your ego, you learn to protect yourself as a human being. When you are able to control yourself, emotionally, mentally, physically, psychologically, you are able to control the way you trade. Bila you dapat control the way you trade, you dapat control the outcome of your trading. Reason being why traders are not consistent is that they are not able to connect the dots of controlling the media, the mind, the subconscious mind, the psychology, physically, everything. So bila you are not able to control semua ni, you are not able to control yourself. Bila you can't control yourself, you cannot control your trading. Bila you cannot control your trading, your outcome is uncertain. Ibaratnya macam, tiba-tiba dalam trading, ada cahaya, ni makin panjang, gelap terus. So itulah isu. Just a little message lah from me to everyone. I care for you guys. I want you guys to make money, be able to sustain and make a living out of this. So just be patient lah. I understand lah. Ada yang ada yang PM me, is it possible saya nak draw account USD? It is possible, but then janganlah nak full margin. You have to learn the art of being patient, the art of jadi seorang yang pejabat. Orang kata seorang yang sabar ni selalu menang. Itu je. So please take that lah. So that's it lah from me tonight. I think just a little recap of market situation, market condition. Time dekat Discord tu is a bit long. So just share a bit lah. So anggap this 1 hour, close to an hour. So before I end this, is there any question? This I open up for Q&A lah. Q&A for like 5 minutes. And 11:50 we end the webinar. For another extra 5 minutes for Q&A lah. Anybody nak tanya apa, or if they have any confusion with themselves, anything. Dia tak semestinya about trading. Do we need to open SSM for full-time trader? Wow, first time I heard that question. No. I am new here, just want to know how do you calculate your lot size? Ada formula ke apa? Dia nak calculate lot size, so you tekan dia bro. 0.05 is 0.05 lah. If 0.05 ada 5 layer is 0.25 lah. Basically something like that lah. Plus minus within those area lah. Maximum withdrawal to your account. Learn to make money and I will tell you. Nak pasal tax, learn to make money first. Jangan fikir persoalan bila ada duit. The question of persoalan macam mana nak withdraw tu semua ni will only datang when you have the money. That was my mistake dulu from first trading. Banyak fikir, kalau saya punya duit ni nak withdraw macam mana kan? Ada nak kena tax ke? And I never make money untuk 1 year straight. Sebab kenapa saya dijual dengan mimpi orang-orang dulu. Orang kata boleh jadi kaya, boleh jadi kaya, boleh jadi kaya. No. So with the right mindset, you will have the right outcome. Tapi tak apa tanya, tak ada salah. It's good to ask. Just tu orang yang suka bertanya. Okay, so anybody else ada question? Kenapa soalan macam ni? Saya suka soalan lain daripada lain. Soalan lain daripada lain. Menarik. Okay guys. Takkan tak ada soalan tu. Lain macam kalau tak ada soalan tu. Don't buy VIP. Bos pernah loss berapa sebelum nak sampai tahap ni? Sekejap. Sir, perlu ke tarik FIBO lepas zakat? Tak, saya tak pernah guna FIBO. So, I don't know how to use FIBO. Bos pernah loss berapa sebelum ni? Sampai tak, jangan cerita lah saya sudah loss banyak-banyak, terlampau banyak sangat. Saya punya rekod sekali MC 2019 January 3rd. Subuh awal pagi, I lost 15,000 in 30 minutes. How to know someone is a good trader? Nobody is ever a good trader. It's either you're a smart trader or a brilliant trader. Okay? Everyone is the same. Indicator 100% membantu atau analysis more helpful. Analysis you pun ni pakai indicator kan. So depending on your style lah. But I don't use indicator lah. I tak style muka lah. Indicator lagi betul. SNR pun saya tak pakai. Dulu saya pakai, sekarang saya tak pakai lah. Sir, you tarik trend line? Tak. Right? My way of teaching ni, ialah dalam course tu ada trend line, SNR, benda semua tu. Tu, hujung sekali saya akan ajar. Pas sekali, saya ajar my way of trading, my very personal style of trading. Tak ada trend line, tak ada SNR, tak ada SNB. Reason being, kenapa? All those basic things yang ada dekat luar sana, Google dah ada. For what I want to charge you money, yang benda free-free je dekat luar sana. Betul tak? Benda tu dah tersedia, ada free di luar sana. So for what I want to charge you for something that is free? So and another thing is that bila you use all this trend line, SNR and etc., different people dia ada banyak understanding yang berbeza. Ada kata tarik from shadow to shadow, ada yang kata tarik from body to body, ada yang kata tarik pendudukan lain chart. So terlampau banyak fahaman, very confusing. So I tak pakai lah. So I like to use something yang very different, very unique, so I can distinguish myself from other people and other ways of teaching lah. Dan boleh tunjuk tak kat mana nak cari period trade, seperti kat sini tu, very good. Ni setting, appearance akan keluar sini, session break, ataupun horizontal grid lah, tu benda semua ni, session break lah saja. Session break tu lah, you boleh on lah session break ni. Tak tahu kenapa tak boleh nak on ni. Tapi sini lah adalah dia punya session break ni, you kena double click kot kan. But my appearance ni semua ada tukar colour, but here lah. So anybody, any other question? Betul ke Forex ni 99% waiting game? No, Forex ni 99% mental game. Mental game equals to, it's not waiting pun. Dia ibaratnya macam ni lah, you nak makan, nasi tu dah kat depan terpinggan. Ya, takkan you nak tunggu nasi tu sampai ke mulut. You have to put in effort, energy and dedication for the food to sampai ke mulut. Same goes to trading, same goes to apa-apa you expect in life. You have to put your effort. So your result tu is based on your effort lah. Tu je. Don't be lazy in life. Don't be lazy in life. Jangan jadi malas. Orang yang rajin akan berjaya. Itu je pesan saya. Orang yang rajin akan jaya. Mak saya marah saya trading, tak apa. Nanti bagi tahu mak awak, TP dan. Nanti pun dia akan tanya, apa tak apa. My parents pun sama dulu bro. My parents pun sama. Kata, you trading ni okey ke tak okey ke? So, yalah faham. Orang tua ni dia a bit skeptical. So, you know, like you nak approach them, you want to talk to them in a sensible way pun susah. Very, very hard. So, what you have to do is you have to show results. Result is apa yang orang nak nampak pun. Sometimes bukan biru pun. It's not biru. People nak tengok you progress in life. Biru tu benda yang subjektif. So, orang tengok you gerak ke depan. Gerak ke depan. You know, lepas tu you're able to, you know, dah boleh pandai berdikari dengan diri sendiri, yang benda semua ni. So, tu je lah. Sekejap soalan ni, kena rajin, betul. Kirim salam mak. Okay, saya pun kirim salam Ada siapa-siapa, mak, nenek, akak, makcik dia, kirim salam. Tunjuk result, confirm tak marah, betul. Tunjuk profit, marah. Tunjuk result, account demo pun susah juga bro. Saya kata kena tunjuk a change in performance lah of your life. Tunjuk biru-biru, really wait, siapa kau lagi. Wow. My parents marah saya trading sebab selalu SL dan this time I'm going to prove them wrong. Good effort. What I need to practice for a newbie. Okay, the misconception of trading. Kalau you are new, do not focus on trading, focus on learning. Okay, the more we learn, the more knowledge we have, the more we can prepare to market, and then the more we can earn. So, focus, you ubah your mindset on learning first, not earning. I bagi USD kat Agari senyum lebar terus. Bagus sampai bro. Biasa SL berapa big? SL saya depending on market situation, market condition. Saya more on risk to reward punya trader lah. So I jaga benda tu very important. My parents want me to cooperate like everybody else. You're not alone, we're in this together. Yes. Sir, if we campur-campur knowledge from other seafood can lah. My bro, kita makan nasi kan, ada ayam lah, ada itu lah, nasi goreng USA, nasi goreng daripada Malaysia, boleh jadi USA, tapi sedap kan? So dipersilakan lah you nak campur apa benda pun, boleh. Janji sedap, kena dengan jiwa, up to you. Tak ada masalah. Itulah contoh terbaik saya bagi lah, nasi goreng USA. Udang lah, sotong lah, ayam lah, macam-macam ada campur. Tapi sedap. So, pakai je lah. Kan ni macam-macam lah. Ini, lot of fusion food. Fusion food. Ikut badan.
Holy Grail.
Apa dia bro?
Holy Grail.
Bagi saya trading. Holy Grail. Awal, no comment. Saya bukan jenis nak mengejar USD, nak kaya dalam satu malam ke dua malam ke, no. Sebab persoalan saya, in life, lapar pula. I pun very hungry lah, bro. So, tadi saya entry UJ, hit TP. Good. Keep it up. Teruskan. Mara ke hadapan. Okay, macam mana bro tergerak hati nak trade forex? So, macam mana saya kenal dengan forex? Initially saya tak kenal forex pun. Saya tengok movie Wall Street, Money Never Sleeps. Umur saya 14 tahun. Kat Astro kan tu. Saya tengok dia, you know, corporate life. Okay, something new. After that corporate life, in that movie saya tu Wall Street, Money Never Sleeps. Bukan Wolf of Wall Street. This is yang lama punya, yang Shia LaBeouf lakon. Then I saw them tiba-tiba at the end of the year, yearly bonus, 1 million USD. It's like, you know, like, what the fuck? Like, 1 million USD, like, what do you do? So, like, it started off from a dream lah. Trading ni was basically a dream lah. A dream to live that high life. That baller life lah. The baller life, that comfortable life. Pergi main golf ke, pulang dengan kawan, riding ke apa ke, so that kind of sense. So I checked out, you know, YouTube was still very new, and the internet was still very new. First, I know Wall Street, Money Never Sleeps, you know, what was it about, apa semua ni. Tiba keluar, oh, stop. Mana faham tu umur 14 dah stop ni apa kan. So buat faham lah cerita ni, baca lah apa semua. Tanya lah, Google English, etc. So dia tahu, you can only do it in banks. Etc. Banks, then search YouTube, keluar lah Forex. So from there, I found out about Forex. Dah habis sekolah, I got into it. Betul-betul habis sekolah, I got into it. And this is where I am today lah. Alhamdulillah, okay lah, it's a good journey. Sebelum trade, Wizard ada kerja mana-mana. So, saya tak pernah kerja mana-mana. Tak pernah kerja mana-mana. Saya sebagai student dulu pernah kerja part time lah. Student dulu, saya pernah buat Uber. Sebab saya nak minta duit parent untuk trade. Yalah, dia mana nak bagi. So saya buat Uber lah. So, as a student, you have to be creative lah. As I said, if you want something in life, dia mesti ada outcome dia. Ni saya nak beritahu, ciri-ciri orang start trade tahun bila? Dan tahun ni masuk 6 tahun dah, 6 tahun lepas bro. (2014) 2014. Yes, saya belajar dengan Sean Lee. Sean Lee is one of my first mentor in 2017. I have Sean Lee as my mentor. I have Luca Giegod as my mentor. I have Ken FX as my mentor. I have Merlin as my mentor. My mentors are semua overseas. I don't have local mentors. Mostly overseas as my mentors. So recently, my mentors are very well mentally trained lah. Bagus lah, mentally trained. Very positive thinking. Very forward thinking lah. Kita tak nak duduk dengan orang ni yang tiba-tiba gila kita langgar SL kan, ataupun kita MC, dia kerja kita, dia tanya kita, siapa suruh kau full margin? No, I don't want that kind of person. I want someone that kalau boleh, that can teach me back then lah. That it's not wrong. You're going through a process. Saya akan bantu awak lalui proses ni. It's normal. You nak full margin, but it is normal. Nak cari orang yang boleh tolong realize my mistake. Itulah yang penting. Tapi kat Malaysia kita tak ada bro. Kita full margin, kita MC, kita tanya, yelah kenapa siapa suruh awak full margin? Dah bagi signal full margin lah kan? Itu isu dia. Dia equity besar, kita equity kecil. Dia kau ni hidup pergi, kita punya kau dah minum kampung lah. Kita salahkan kita. So macam tu lah, that's not a good mentor to be lah. Personally saya lah. So better cari mentor yang bagus lah. Mentor yang boleh membantu kita move ke hadapan kan. Okay, macam mana you boleh not give up in training? Even I almost 1 tahun pun nak give up dah. Sebab dalam kepala otak saya bagi tahu, if they can do this, why can't I do this? The paling simple in life. It's simple in life. If you want something, really want something, you can go all out and do it again and again. And in life, it is good for you to make mistakes. Banyak orang kata, gila saya dah setahun buat mistake, baru setahun. You might as well make all the mistakes dalam you umur 20-an ni, early 20s or late 20s, make all the mistakes so you can be a very mature orang yang sangat-sangat matang di masa 30-an, and you dah dalam segala mistakes, so you will not make any more mistakes lah, unless you never learn from your mistake lah. I cannot help lah dia tu. But nonetheless, itu lah, you kena ada mental yang sangat-sangat strong lah. Saya pernah sebagai student, saya trade, imagine saya buat Uber daripada hari Isnin sampai hari Ahad. Habis kelas saya buat Uber, weekend saya all out je lah, collect insentif lah, apa semua dulu. Yalah. And then hari Selasa duit masuk, saya depo, Selasa malam MC. You imagine that as a student. Saya buat tu untuk setahun straight. Adalah akaun tu tahan 3-4 hari, itu the outcome MC lah. Saya 100% first year of training MC. And I am happy for that MC. You can happy untuk you lost kenapa you learn something. If you don't make mistakes, you will never learn. Yelah, regardless you jumpa mentor ke sifu apa yang the best ke apa ke, the best teacher is your experience. The more experience, the more better you are in anything in life lah. So, ada anything else? Welcome bro. Bagus lah korang tanya soalan macam ni. Very good. I suka. I like to share. Thank you for sharing bro. Most welcome. So just don't give up lah, just kena rajin lah, rajin, study a lot, positive mindset lah, jangan benda negatif lah. If you have made mistakes kat 2019 ni, just tinggalkan dekat 2019 lah, just move on. Macam kita dah break up dengan girlfriend ke boyfriend, just move on lah. You nak sedih untuk setahun pun, dia dah pergi cari orang lain lah, so no point lah. Itu je lah, so we pun have to move on in life, gerak ke harapan. As they saying lah, you fall down 7 times, you get back up 8 times. Saja. Welcome. So itu je lah. So nonetheless, thank you everyone, thank you for joining. So harap semua semangat sikit lah yang trading ni. Teknik is teknik, tapi semangat tu yang paling penting. Lampu LED dekat wall tu dah beli ke? Belum lagi bro, tak order lagi. Memang susah nak survive, jadi kalau ada surrounding yang kuat beli yang membahankan. Itulah sebab tu saya tak ada Telegram bro. Discord beli perlu. So lepak, okay bro, tak ada masalah. Okay, ilmu halal, itu halal. Boleh je. Thank you for knowledge, brother. Most welcome. Okay, thank you everyone. Good night. I will see you Wednesday night. Okay, don't be late. Should be on the same time or awal sikit lah. From Wednesday morning lah. Okay. So rest well, have a good sleep, have a good rest. Have a good day tomorrow lah. Nonetheless, jangan nak tergopoh-gopoh the entry. Take a chill pill lah. Right. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.